So today, guys, we are doing a slime video, and all you're gonna need is some Morse glue, food coloring, and contact solution. And that's it, and that in a bowl, and a mixing tool, and I lost it. Oh nope, found it right here. Okay, let's get into it. So first, I'm going to dump the glue in. I don't have that much, so I'm not going to pour too much. But yeah, dump the glue in. And don't let it come out. Just let it get out. But to get all the glue out, you want to just fill the bottle of your Elmer's glue up halfway with warm water and to get the glue out, and then just dump it all back in. But I'm not going to do that today. So next you will get, actually, I'm going to flip this on. Hang on, I'm going to go get some shaving cream real quick. Sorry guys. Let me see. Sorry, I don't got, like...
He got the banana, so he can't hold one banana.
Quit munching. Add this red.
What? Can you make more slime?
No.
Why?
I don't want to. No.
I want more slime.
So, and like that.
Yeah. Can I do some?
Add your contact solution.
First time you make some?
And it'll start to come together.
Ooh, I'm figuring it. Get up. I'm trying to. No, Andrew.
Get off of it, both of you. Hang on, guys. That's what it looks like right now, but in a minute it'll be better. So guys, as I start to mix it, it starts to come together a little bit.
So can I make some?
No.
Mine.
But it's almost done.
Mine?
Talking to me.
It's almost low.
See that? That is crazy.
That's fuzzy for me.
No, it is not. Oh, I already made you one, and you lost it, so. That was when I had the gallon of the bullshit.
So you want me to make you some?
Not right now.
Please.
Yeah, guys, it's almost done.
Paint.
Look, guys. Pretty stretchy. Gooey, too. Pretty nice, I like it. But, like, as it starts to stick to your slime, like, you can see, like, it'll start to stick to it. That's when you know it's ready. Just keep on stirring it for a minute, and then you gotta start to knead it. Like, yeah, see, it don't stick no more. I'm gonna take it out, actually.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Not bad. Still sticks, but it won't after a minute, after you start kneading it for a minute.
It's weak.
Put it back in, though. Go tell Grandma what she wants. It's almost done, guys. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back.
I just want to sit on
And
this.
starting to look pretty good, as usual.
It's so good.
Looks pretty good. why it's not sticking to my mixing utensils?
What?
Kind of weird.
What?
What?
Go get one.
Hang on, tell her to wait. No, don't touch it. Can you go give me a plastic bag out of where Grandma stands? Next to the kitchen. It's pretty good. Just need to knead it a little bit.
Yep. Just a little bit.
See? Stop, Noah.
Because I don't like that sound. Stop.
No, what'd I say?
Yeah. Just never listening to you.
So, yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already.